Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you to the Ghanaian Child Foundation. The Ghanaian Child Foundation is an Islamic organization with a couple of flagship programs, which includes the Islamic Community Library. The Islamic Community Library is a place that you can have access to different types of Islamic literature. The place is targeted at people that are interested in reading intensively and extensively in all areas of Islamic sciences, particularly our imams that would want to come over, have access to a Wi-Fi, have access to computer, have access to different Islamic literature to do their research, to deepen their Islamic knowledge, and also give life to their sermons. The Islamic Community Library is located at Adenta Municipality at exactly the Nmai-Dzorn Last stop. For further enquiries, you may reach out to us on the numbers displayed on the screen.